Sometimes you just want to create something different, something powerful, something revolutionary. And you need tools, but the tools you can afford can't do what you want. And the tools that can do what you want are too expensive and complicated, which is why we created Snickerdoodle. With an FPGA inside of a powerful ARM processor, you can totally customize your I/O and use pre-built software blocks to accelerate things like image processing and motor control. And with built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, Snickerdoodle is the perfect platform for building your next self-navigating robot, drone with a heads-up display, computer vision system, 3D printer, or whatever crazy automated system you can come up with. With Snickerdoodle, the goal is to maintain this balance of functionality, usability, and affordability, and to provide a professional caliber development platform at a price that's normally associated more with hobbyists or maker boards.
Snickerdoodle is about democratizing advanced technologies because when you give people the freedom to use new tools, you empower them to make real things that we all daydream about.
Wireless connectivity shouldn't be something you have to waste time struggling with, so we've integrated it right on board. There are no additional dongles to buy or drivers to mess with. You just turn it on, enter your network credentials into the Snickerdoodle mobile app, and it works.
So whether you're just having fun experimenting and learning the ropes, or you're looking for a baseboard like an autopilot or an Arduino Shield adapter to kickstart your project, with the Snickerdoodle mobile app, you'll be able to customize your hardware for the exact configuration you need in a matter of minutes. From our office in San Francisco, our team has spent the last 2 years molding Snickerdoodle into what you see today. Having built dozens of custom systems for medical, industrial, and consumer technology companies, we developed Snickerdoodle with the maker, inventor, and engineer in mind, and now we need your help to bring it to market. So grab yourself a Snickerdoodle and join us. We can't wait to see what you create.